My future head of me, I want people look for me and wear. Like say me I want waste product. People, my last birthday because I turned 23, you know. When I look on the calendar and say me target so old, you know, people, me I say no. Me have to go make things right, Virgin. So CamCam, me block you for WhatsApp for you. But me step forward on the media now, where your media in before, cause be a media you come out, you know. People, me swear upon my life as me the writer so. God kill me if I lie me I tell. CamCam no mention nothing about picnic on WhatsApp. I be who a hold down, who from who not hold down, who and be a them talking there. So me I bring it on the media now about the little girl. That bring it on the media about the little girl. See the little girl pretty like a money. And I saw my daughter them pretty too. If me can have 3 pretty daughters in my life when me I grow and me are the mentor to them little girl there. You know what a blessing that one? And even money can't compare to that. If me are the mentor of them 3 people in their life. 3 girls. They have a son too, you know. But she end up going foreign with man and tell the man about me and her cousin. So me end up I forget, stop talk to the youth there. Cause the man end up, I move away to the woman that stop call me. Take CamCam side and I bring me down. But Kima, you are the next one. Cause dada grow and look like me. So you need to get a hold of yourself too. Yeah. Cause you just stop talk to the man completely. I said I have to respect Chin cause no matter what Chin always when my daughter them try to talk to me or what. So when you see me I post Chin with my 2 pitney them and ray. Chin reader than them brother. Even though Chin fuck up too, you know. I hold on to fuck up, you know. But you see me? Even though Chin fuck up to just to see him, Chin always I'm try to see my pitney them bro. Even if Chin come and bring me down on media, Chin gonna make me see my pitney them. CamCam. You don't want to pick in my life. You want to talk about who be who want who there, who want who do this, who want suck over penis, who want do that. But if like a joke, CamCam not upon no constructive thing. CamCam link me, you sell a car for 250,000. Woman, I better set a loan of the money there. I'm going to car for that. I better set a loan of my buyer for the money there. What you tell me about? So I come show it and say, yo, chat, this one boy, you know, and one chat, I say, yo, told the frustration real one at time. And me I go through it, I have to just sell all my car. No believe me. Some things going on with my mother can't agree. I can't sit down on my house and me build before. I have to just come out and just build a different place, dog. It even done to all I want if you done it, and then come and go link me. Me just say, you want to do DNA with your baby mother. Why you not stop them? CamCam, you want DNA from. The truth and the matter. Stop right here, full stop. And you may need it from. And people, I'm not say little girl on my own. I'm not say she on my own. Because little girl grew and a favor me. At first when you see me eat it and I talk to them, say things like me have to talk, but I can't let them jog me and eat the bus because it's not true. And you see to me easy back, it come like a true. Auntie CamCam, that a long time big man. But really, why you make me do the DNA with the baby? The baby too pretty for me to run from the baby dog. I'm a rich people could just look upon it and online, but them can't do it because they don't know me. You know what I mean? Auntie, get somebody your age group, man. Try do something, man, with yourself, man. And, yeah, keep all party what you hear. But I show you, the more thing about my brain, I don't even remember nothing about a party. I own a sister and brother party, I remember. I want that thing about my brain. I want that thing, more time I just get up, I don't feel for do nothing. I just want to build up a weed like me a cruff, where me is not. Because I come from frustration thing, dog. Brother, frustration really, no, brother? Yo, ever feel for go up on a building and jump off and jump on all your toe? Frustration, real chat. I like jokes, dude. I like joke. But frustration real. Nah, telling a lie. And chat, you know, for follow the big man and bring down my man. Because if you even know the 2 sides. And I can't blame you to come and take long for come. But you, me I say me a star and me a moon and me a shine. But no, it don't work like that, man. They make people cheating, me no want nobody say about me. cheating. Cheating when me a change in my life. You see the one I know about the picnic thing and Ray, me a change it. You see that? Really, you see if I look at my one, me I really want to step forward. And people, me I show them. It's like come step forward on the internet now. Much you not bet me. Say CamCam still not go on doing the DNA and none of them thing there. Cause CamCam not hear what she want to hear. CamCam want to come and say, chat. Well, I'm sorry for everything. Well, CamCam and me breed you and Ray and you're a good woman and no bro, I don't know nothing about you. I swear I don't know nothing about you, mama. Nothing like we all don't know about you. I swear, CamCam. Yeah. Yeah, brother, I don't know nothing about CamCam for you. And she come to me and go like say me and her Ray and about me wind up so and wind up so. Lie she tell me I for CamCam leave her vibes, brother. Lie she tell. Lie she tell. I mean, I saw my mama because I'm not. But, two I need the boss man because she will go. Because she a crosses, brother. Crosses like a that.